So Zinzino basically again is a health and wellness company from Scandinavia because we have a head office in Gothenburg, Sweden, and our manufacturing units in Norway and other places where we get it manufactured. Uh, this company is a listed company. ये Nasdaq में listed है उसके first North Growth Premium Market में जहाँ पे इसके shares trade होते हैं. Uh, the company's head office, like I said, is in Gothenburg and it started in 2005. For first 5 years, they were known as more like a coffee company. So they were selling coffee machines and coffee. And then later on, 2010 onwards, they ventured into the health and wellness field with the oil, which is the balance oil, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं. इंडिया में उसको हम लोग एसेंट ऑयल के नाम से जानते हैं. With this category, because they had taken over a company by the name of Bioactive Foods, and it was this company which actually gave them the balance oil. And that's where their journey into the health and wellness category started. Currently, the share price is around 150 SEK, which is around 1500 rupees. That's what it is trading at. And पिछले अगर मैं इस साल की बात करूं तो we are actually having 50% plus growth, in this year as a group company. And if I say from last 20 years, this company has been having a double-digit sales growth, which is actually very good अगर आप मेरे से पूछेंगे. इस समय हम लोग अराउंड 110 कंट्रीज में प्रोडक्ट्स डिलीवर कर रहे हैं विद ऑफिसेज एंड वेयर हाउसेज इन अबाउट 40 कंट्रीज विच टेक केयर ऑफ दीज markets. And for every product that you buy, part of it, Zinzino actually helps children in India. Even internationally, if you're buying products in Europe and any other place, children in India get benefited because Zinzino has, as a part of their CSR activity, is helping children, and they've kind of working with around 2,000 children now in Jharkhand and upper reaches of West Bengal, where they're helping out. So to help you out. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जिंजनो को हम लोग एक टेस्ट बेस्ड न्यूट्रिशन कंपनी के नाम से भी जानते हैं. वाई टेस्ट बेस्ड? बिकॉज फॉर एवरी मोस्ट आर स्ट्रैटेजी इज लाइक दिस कि हम लोग जब कस्टमर को अप्रोच करते हैं तो वी ट्राई एंड डू देयर ब्लड टेस्ट, या किसी पार्टनर को अप्रोच करते हैं तो हम उनका पहले ब्लड टेस्ट करते हैं टू सी वेदर दे आर डेफिशिएंट इन द फैटी एसिड. लेट्स से अगर हम बैलेंस टेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो वेदर दे आर डेफिशिएंट इन द फैटी एसिड्स, एंड इफ दे आर, then we advise them our supplements, and then we tell them to do their retest after 4 months to see the benefits that our supplements would have got them. So अगर हम लोग वर्ल्ड मार्केट की बात करें, so there are more than 500 million people who take omega-3 supplements, and there are more than a billion people all across the world who take some kind of a specialized diet or vitamins. बट द इशू इज दैट लोगों को ये नहीं मालूम है कि जो सप्लीमेंट्स वो ले रहे हैं वो वाकई में उनकी बॉडी में काम कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. एंड वी हैव डन क्लोज टू अबाउट 1.6 million टेस्ट world across now, which is the highest in its category, in this category. And we have an intention of testing more than 1 billion people by 2050. That's our category. We have already, our plans are very clear till 2050. And we know from the data that we have that 97% of the public fails their first blood test, जो balance test जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं. Why? There's a reason for that, because there has been a change in the dietary pattern. Dietary pattern में change आया है पिछले almost अगर मैं बोलूँ तो 100 सालों में. हम लोग जो खाना खा रहे हैं, that is all packaged man-made food which has empty calories and lots of sugar just to create that taste buds. और उसमें वो न्यूट्रिशन कम बचा है, फाइबर्स कम बचे हैं, and this change actually, if you see, actually started coming in and people started recognizing it way back, uh, in the early or end of 18th century or early 1900s. So where a normal cell का अगर हम लोग बात करें ओमेगा 6-3 रेशियो अगर हम लोग बात करें, so it is 1:1. But WHO has given a ratio that 3:1 or even 4:1 is a good ratio for a healthy human being. But our tests have shown that people in various parts of the world are coming at around 25:1 or even more. In India, if you see our test site, हमारी test site है zinzerotest.com, which transparently shows the data of the test that we have done in India, the before and after. जो average Indian ratios जो निकल के आए हैं was 47:1. That means 47 parts of omega 3 versus 1 part of 47 parts of omega 6 versus 1 part of omega 3. जबकि होना चाहिए 3:1. And after 4 months, जिनका after test जिन लोगों ने किया है, we have more than 6,000 people out there. वहां पे जो ratios आए हैं after 4 months is 4:1. So from 47:1 average Indian ratios to 4:1 is what we have now shown across to the Indian public. इससे बड़ा testimonial नहीं हो सकता है. So this is like a great data for people to see. And we are very, very open about it. So basically क्या होता है, anybody who's above 3:1 and we call it, हम लोग बहुत simply उसको depict करते हैं red zone में अगर if he say, so that means he's in a danger zone. Danger zone में क्या है, because there's an imbalance in his omega 6 and 3 in the body, which means there is a higher inflammatory markers which can be seen in his body. उसके low levels of omega 3 हैं, which means his cell protection, or probably you can say his EP or DHA in his body is not enough to function in the right fashion. उसकी body में natural antioxidants नहीं है, और what we call as polyphenols are not present in his diet. And then also there would be low levels of vitamin D3 in their diets. And India, में है. Like I said, we have done now close to about 1.6 million tests. And this is the shocking data that we have seen, that 97% of the global average fails their first test. Why? Because क्या होता है कि people are not really looking at their diets, and they're having lots of lifestyle issues which are on a rise. So क्या होता है, both omega 6 and 3 are essential for our body. Omega 6 is also very essential, and so is omega 3. But more of omega 6 creates more of inflammation in your body. And omega 3 is there to balance that inflammation in your body. और अगर ये दोनों balance में नहीं है, तो you could, or high amounts of omega 6 can lead to reduced brain functions, hair quality decrease or hair quality fall or hair falls, आपका reduce heart functions, skin loses elasticity, that means आपकी झुर्रियां जल्दी आ जा रही हैं, you are getting older much quicker in a younger age, reduced organ functions, and then joint and muscular pains. These are some of the major things that has been seen where high amounts of omega 6 are present in people. अब क्या होता है, I'll explain it to you in a very simpler term. क्या होता है, our body is made out of cells. Now cells have a core area which is the center of the cell, that's the core, and उसकी जो top covering होती है, जो outer covering होती है, that's made out of fats. Out of that, omega 3 plays a major role. अब क्या होता है कि over a period of time, because of our dietary habits and inflammatory markers in our body, ये जो लेयर है, जो टॉप लेयर है, ये धीरे धीरे पतली होती जाती है, जिसकी वजह से ये जो सेल्स हैं ये हार्ड और रिजिड हो जाते हैं, पत्थर की तरह, जिसका मतलब है कि वो प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन अब्सॉर्ब नहीं कर रहे हैं, एंड देन दे आर नॉट एबल टू थ्रो आउट और द वेस्ट. दैट मीन्स उसमें प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग स्लो डाउन हो गई है. द आइडिया इज that the new cell, which the body, there's a whole change of cells in the body in 120 days, that within this period, if we have the new cells, they should be protected. They should be soft, जैसे sponge होता है, and flexible, so that they could absorb nutrition and throw out the waste. That's the function of the cell. So we, like a blood test, we do that. So this was my first blood test where my ratio was 37:1. So it's in a dried blood spot test. It's again a very unique technology. Zinzino manufactures only the blood test, but the testing happens in an independent laboratory, which is known as Vita's laboratory. I'll tell you more about it. And after a year, my results were around 3.7:1. It took me a year to come into balance. Okay, so this is the laboratory जिसके साथ में Zinzino का tie-up है. We are one of their largest clients. And this is a laboratory which is into a scientific area जहाँ पे there are lots of research universities and companies which are partner with this laboratory, and they use a lot of data across which this laboratory generates. And you can see all the names of the big universities which are partners with the Vitas lab. आपका जो रिपोर्ट आता है वो इस तरीके से आता है. फॉर अ वेरी सिंपल वे ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग इट टू अ लेमैन, he can do understand color coding से. So if it is in a red zone, that means आप danger zone में है. Yellow में you still a little improvement is needed, and then green zone जहाँ पे you are in the good zone. That means आपकी body balance में है. In this, we talk about the protection values, which are basically आपके जो cells हैं कितने protected हैं. Again, that layer that we were talking about. We talk about the omega-3 index, कि आपकी body में कितना omega-3 index है. A good sufficient level is 8%. ये अगर आप ये रिपोर्ट जब देखेंगे, zinzerotest.com पे जाएंगे, तो you can understand all these values in much greater detail if for scientifically somebody wants to study this. Then it checks your mental strength. That means your EP and DHA levels in your brain, how much sufficient or insufficient you have that. Then it checks your cellular membrane fluidity. Again, like I said, your unsaturated fats versus other things, wherein we check whether your cells are fluid enough to absorb the nutrition in your body जो आप ले रहे हैं. And then we check your arachidonic acid also. So these are the factors which are checked. There are 11 fatty acid profiles जिसके ऊपर में Zinzino initially blood test जो है आपका, हमारा जो balance test है, वो आपको details देता है. And all this is basically presented to you in a 25-page report where a lot of dietary support कि आप क्या खा सकते हो इसको better करने के लिए, वो भी आपको साथ साथ में बताया जाता है, apart from your normal supplementation जो Zinzino दे रहा है. And normally, like in 95% or more cases, people come into balance in about 120 days. But then people with high levels of omega-6 or people with some kind of chronic or lifestyle issues, they take a longer period of time to come into balance. So that's what is there. Then Zinzino has a very good scientific team which is working on lots of its products, and some of the names are right in front of you. They are among the prominent people working in this category, जिनके बहुत सारे research papers हैं, which has been published all across the medical fraternity, and a lot of people follow them. We have patented products and certain patented technologies also, on which we are working, and it's an ever-going process. And हमारे अपने manufacturing and R&D facilities हैं, so we are not really dependent upon the outside people to actually work on the products for us. So what is this oil? Balance oil or essent oil, as what we is known in India, is actually a blend. ये blend है. 60% इसमें fish oil है और 40% इसमें olive oil है. Why this blend? Because what we had seen, normal fish oil is a very unstable oil. उसको stabilize करने के लिए you need polyphenols. And Zinzino found out that olive oil, and that also कच्चा olive, बिल्कुल कच्चा olive जो अभी ripe नहीं हुआ है, बिल्कुल कच्चा, and that also from a Cyprus region, Pickwill के नाम से olive, जिसको ये cold press करते हैं, it's an extra virgin olive oil, and then they mix it with this fish oil to stabilize it so that it doesn't get oxidized, and that's when it creates a difference in the body. Normally, the industry में जो oils या soft gels बिक रहे हैं, they sell purely fish oil, which is again not really helpful आपकी body में. It creates more inflammation. जो चीज़ आपकी body के लिए कई बार helpful नहीं होती है, वो कई बार और भी ज़्यादा inflammation create करती है rather than helping you out. So a lot of people not knowing are taking omega 3s. They don't know whether that omega 3 is actually helping them in the body or not. So मुझे बहुत सारी कंपनीज ओमेगा 3 बनाती हैं. So जब कोई आदमी मेरे से मिलता है कि सर we also have omega 3 and it is really good omega 3. So I just ask them one thing, get yourself tested. आप अपने आप का ब्लड टेस्ट करा लो. हमसे कराना है हमसे करा लो, नहीं तो हॉस्पिटल में जाके आप अपना इन्फ्लेमेटरी टेस्ट करा लो. एंड इन दैट यू विल फाइंड आउट कि जो आप ले रहे हो सप्लीमेंट या जो ओमेगास ले रहे हो, वेदर दे आर एक्चुअली वर्किंग in your body or not. And that's what shows the difference in there. Now this was a study done 2010 में, जहाँ पे there was a scientific study in Sintef करके एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन था. This is again in Norway, Oslo. जब हम लोग ये ऑयल कर रहे थे, we were bringing out this oil. Now, आपका omegas also come from krill oil. Krill मछली होता है, उससे भी omegas extract होते हैं. Now, that works in your body for about 5 hours. That's what this report shows. It's basically showing your oil stability index or the number of hours the oil is working in your body. There are other concentrated omegas which work for about 9 hours in your body. And very popular is cod liver oil. इंडिया में भी बहुत फेमस है कॉड लिवर ऑयल. कॉड लिवर ऑयल वर्क्स इन योर बॉडी फॉर अबाउट 15 hours. And then we have balance oil or essential oil which works in your body for about 35 hours. So आज आप एक अगर इसका ढक्कन ले रहे हो तो ये आपको अगले 35 घंटे तक आपकी बॉडी में ये काम कर रहा है. So whenever you're taking your next spoon, it's adding up your omega 3 levels step by step every day. That's the basic way it works. Now, this oil has polyphenols, which is basically natural antioxidants. It has omega 3, EPA, DHA, and DPA, which we get from the wild fish. It already has vitamin D3 in it. It has vitamin E, which is basically tocopherols, which are good for your skin also. These are all naturally sourced ingredients. और इसका डोज लेने का तरीका है आपका जो भी बॉडी वेट है इनटू 0.15 ml once a day. अगर आप मान लीजिए आपका बॉडी वेट अराउंड 100 kgs है तो 15 ml दिन में एक बार, प्रेफरेबली along with your meals, before or after your meals. It's always preferred. Okay, so that's how you take it. Then Zinzino के पास में जो ये है बहुत सारे certifications हैं which are there to make sure that we have the best quality and we are giving the best product across to the people. Our manufacturing facilities are GMP certified. We have Friends of the Sea certification. That means हम लोग ecological balance को maintain करके चलते हैं when we are extracting the oils from those sources. We have Inform Sports. This is one of very big certificates in the category of sports, which means कि हमारा हर batch test होता है for anti-doping ingredients across out there. That means for sports people, they can easily take our supplements, and without having a problem कि वो उसमें कोई डोपिंग वगैरह तो नहीं है, कोई कोई या कोई ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट तो नहीं है जिसकी वजह से उनको बैन हो जाएगा. We have vegan variety of products also, which we plan to bring into India by next year. हमारे पास हलाल सर्टिफाइड भी है, इंडियन FSSAI सर्टिफिकेशन भी है. Like I said, these are all naturally sourced, soy free, sugar free, gluten free, non GMO, keto friendly products for those who are following ये वाले diet preferences. इसको कौन ले सकता है? Because it being in a liquid form, you can give it to 6-month-old baby to a 100-year-old person. जिंजरो के अगर आप बॉटल पे देखेंगे तो वहां पे लिखा हुआ है इट इज फॉर अडल्ट डाइटरी सप्लीमेंट फॉर अडल्ट, बिकॉज ये FSSAI का रेगुलेशन है. वी हैव टू पुट इट ऑन द लेबल. ओके, बट व्हाई इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर चिल्ड्रन? बिकॉज उनकी ब्रेन के लिए, ग्रोथ के लिए, इम्यूनिटी के लिए, it's important. And then for females, even for pregnant females and other females, for their reproductive organs, for their pregnancy, during pregnancy, and also, for the children, the children which are present in the womb, prenatal stage and natal stage, जहाँ पे ये बहुत important है. And then while we are growing old, for your immunity, brain, your heart, and then your joint and muscular pains, and metabolic aging के लिए भी, this is a very good product. These are 18 health claims approved by the European Food Safety Association, जिसके पीछे में there is a lot of data available across out there, saying that what omega-3 is helpful for your brain functions, for your heart functions, for your immunity, आपके vision के लिए, आपके दांतों के लिए, for newborn babies, आपके bone structures के लिए, to fight against oxidative stress, one of the biggest killers right now. आपके ब्लड प्रेशर को नॉर्मलाइज करने के लिए, आपके नॉर्मल सेल डिवीजन के लिए, या ब्लड ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स को नॉर्मलाइज करने के लिए, आईसाइट ऑफ द फीटस अक्रॉस एंड ब्रेस्ट फेड इन्फेंट्स, आपके सेल्स का प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, फॉर योर कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फोरस यूटिलाइजेशन, आपके ब्लड कैल्शियम लेवल्स को नॉर्मलाइज करने के लिए, आपके मस्कुलर फंक्शन को करने के लिए, स्पेशली फॉर स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज. Basically, omega-3 is helping in basically muscle recovery. अगर मैं बोलूँ fast muscle recovery, that's what it helps to lower down your blood cholesterol levels, and then of course visual development of infants and people of age. There are lots of studies available in Google and PubMeds and other such magazines. उसमें से एक बहुत बड़ी स्टडी 8th of August को जिंजिनो की डेटा के ऊपर में, and on its basis has been published, in one of the journals. You can see that on zinzinoplay.com. उसके ऊपर में you will find details, जहाँ पे 5 लाख लोगों का डेटा यूटिलाइज किया गया to come out with certain results across of how this product is helpful. So that is one of the biggest studies in this category till now, which has been published and now is being widely, read by all the scientific people all across the world. So we have lots of sports athletes also who are our brand ambassadors, people from various sports fields. Those who are taking Zinzino, we have Olympians, we have football teams, those who have been taking Zinzino supplements regularly and have been very active in introducing it within their own fields to their own followers, Instagram पे, Facebook पे.